The animosity between Mnangagwa and Chiwenga has been escalating for several months. In October 2025, the rivalry took a more sinister turn when Mnangagwa publicly accused Chiwenga of incitement and treason. The accusation followed Chiwenga's presentation of the comprehensive corruption dossier to ZANU-PF Politburo. The dossier alleged that the party and the state had been captured by Kudako Gray, a controversial business tycoon. Mnangagwa swiftly dismissed the dossier as fundamentally flawed and treasonous, interpreting it as a thinly veiled attempt to unlawfully remove a constitutionally elected president. Sarayambena mashoko buda pangwa ine pamsoro a rift between the two presidents. But subscribe or like it on the bell icon. TV mnamu pumpkins in a calculated effort to diminish Chiwenga's influence. Mnangagwa was systematically stripped as a deputy of key responsibilities. He notably removed Chiwenga's oversight role of the Minister of Defense and War Veterans, reassigning him to the less influential portfolio of procurement and research. This systematic dismantling of Chiwenga's power base aligns with Mugabe's earlier warning that Mnangagwa would peg those who helped him ascend, further consolidating his power. Mnangagwa oversaw the retirement of Zimbabwe Defense Forces Commander General Philip Valerius Banda in November 2025, replacing him with the Lieutenant General Emmanuel Matatu. This strategic military reshuffle are widely interpreted as a deliberate move to neutralize Chiwenga's support base within the military's upper echelons, effectively completing the use and dump cycle that Mugabe had foretold. However, legal experts have voiced serious concerns regarding the profound implications of such constitutional changes. Professor Lavmo Maduku, a respected constitutional lawyer, has argued that altering the method of electing a president fundamentally undermines the spirit of the 2013 constitution and may necessitate a national referendum. Similarly, legal scholar Tawani Mpofu has labeled the proposed changes as fraudulent, asserting that Parliament is not Parliament Almighty, and that converting a 5-year mandate into 7-year constitutes a subversion of democratic will of the people. Doma developments aripo pangwa ine wanachirisister amendments aroda kuita constitution. Penako section medu zafungura 8 more today pamsepe chitwechi. So subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.